programmable search engines by Google to your websites can help you earn more daily passive income faster. I'm in the look and feel back end of my AdSense account where I create the programmable search engine. So underneath search features, I click on look and feel. You click on all these links in the sidebar and you will learn how to navigate in the back end, better and faster. You'll just get better. In the beginning, I didn't know what I was doing. And then I realized, the layout of the look and feel of the search engine results. And I like the pop out. So I have it open to show you 2 examples. I'm going to test all of these, but for right now, I like the pop out better because I feel it's more, I feel it gets more noticed. I'm creating, let me show you right here. In Ad Inserter, this is the programmable search engine, Google search engine code. I just changed my publisher ID to keep it private. And then I have some content underneath it. This is great to show you because this Ad Inserter Pro is great. So I changed that. After I switched the look and feel of the search engine result layout, so I changed that. Now I'm going to go here. I'm on amaranth leaves. I'm going to type in fruits. You see how it popped out? You see this instead of a tab? I'll show you in a moment. This popped out. It's like a pop-up. And see how the images are finally catching up? It's a long process. I changed this image. I'm going to add it back to my website, but I want to see what happens. When you add a programmable search engine to your website, companies or people pay for advertising on search results, search engine results. And then I tweak the code that links to my website populate underneath the ads. You can't have them above. It's a business for them. But you get my point. You see the pop out. Now, I was here on Authentico Italian Freshness, and I typed in pasta sauce because I have a specific search engine just for Alessa products. I'm learning. I'm moving forward. I'm going to tap search. And you see how it opened up in a new tab? I just switched that to a pop out, but you got to give it a couple of hours for everything to, get set up on the back end. It don't always happen immediately. So I thought you would really appreciate to learn that. And you see my links are underneath the paid advertisements. It's just going to get better and better and better. It was so worth finally tackling. I need to add Google programmable search engines to my websites. It's time. Because I believe I could earn more money faster. That's the name of the game, but I love this. I love the pop-up. The pop-out. It's called pop-out, I'm sorry. There you go. Have a good one. Never give up. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next video clip.